Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this beautiful mint condition 2016 Jayco White Hawk 33 RSKS double slide travel trailer with the outside kitchen. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. Overall exterior length is 37 feet 5 inches, and the exterior height to the large 15,000 BTU ducted AC unit is 11 feet 3 inches. Give you an idea of the floor plan here before I get started. Excellent condition on the inside and out. The owners have only used this camper 3 times. I've known the owners for about 5 years now, and since I've known them, they've had 3 campers and they've just been downsizing and downsizing, and now they are retiring from the RV lifestyle. So they called me up and asked me to get this thing listed. Alright, got an idea of the floor plan. Okay, first slide out's going to be super slide. Accommodates the boot dinette. Boot dinette does break down into a bed. The fabrics all throughout are going to be like that microfiber. Show off those colors there. It's going to be a light tan in color. Booth breaks down, easily sleeps 2 grown adults. Also in the super slide is the home theater seating, which are dual recliners, and again it's that microfiber finish. In the rear is going to be a sleeper sofa, and again the microfiber. Night shades all throughout. This is going to be your second slide out. It's going to accommodate the kitchen and the entertainment center area. Entertainment center, you're going to have a 32-inch flat screen. Usually on the 33 RSKS models, this TV usually will swivel around. This one does not, which is actually a good thing in my opinion, because those swiveling models, the air, AC, and your heat kind of escape. But anyway, it's just my opinion. Fireplace, it's going to be probably a 4800, 5000 BTU heating source. Stereo is going to be by Furrion. And your TV also, there's your Furrion badge right there. It's going to be DVD, CD, smart device ready, Bluetooth, all the good stuff. Kitchen area, you're going to have the island kitchen. Beautiful island kitchen with the solid surface countertops, not the laminate or Formica tops like you'll probably usually find on models similar to this. Nice hidden pantry. Top here's got like a padded vinyl leatherette finish. Full length metal bumper and drawer guides. Show those off. Under-mounted sink, large bowl, by the way. Pull-out sprayer faucet. Pan around here in the slide-out area. In the slide-out's going to be the oven, which has never been used. 3-burner gas cooktop. Front burner usually is a high output. And microwave right over there. Nice mosaic backsplash, by the way, for easy cleanup. And again, you have the solid surface countertops. Not sure what they're calling the wood color. Looks like a cherry. Solid wood drawer fronts, by the way. Show off the cabinets on the island. Kind of paint around here, show off the 2 110 outlet right there on the island, which is convenient. Do want to also point out your carpet's in excellent condition. Kind of a Berber kind of. And your vinyl flooring is going to be that kind of a barn style vintage plank look. Okay, refrigerator is going to be a large 8 cubic foot. by Norcold. You can adjust the temperatures if you want. You have that option. There you go. Show off that Norcold badge right there. Just turn it on. A couple hours later, you've got a cold fridge. Walking into the hallway here, going into the walk-through bath. Foot flush china toilet. Nice neo-angle glass enclosed shower. Show that off there for you. With skylight. Vanity area there. And you do have a medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. This is a walk-through bath, so this goes directly into the master bedroom. It's going to be a queen bed. Queen bed does lift up. Show that off. Nice storage up underneath. Gas assist struts. I can do that with one hand. I did want to point out, the owners wanted me to point out, plastic is still on the mattress. This is a pretty plush mattress too. It's not cheapy. Closets on both sides. You do have 110 outlets on both sides. Okay, somebody has a sleep app machine, or just wants to plug in a clock or something like that. You do have a charging station right there next to the bed. USB ports. Nice reading lights, by the way. This camper is equipped with all LED lights. 2016, and pretty much everything was LED. Saves you on your battery. That's where your TV would go if you want to mount it right there. Cable, satellite ready, all throughout. Alright. Yeah, that plank flooring look. Good looking. Alright. Give you a last look at the floor plan, then I'll show you the central command where you can check out your camper and see where you are in your holding tanks and stuff. Beautiful floor plan. Alright, this is going to be your central command right here. Up top right, monitor panel for your holding tanks, your battery, your freshwater tank, your black water, which is your toilet, and your gray water, which is your sink and your shower. Water pump switch right there, and you got water heater switches right there for gas and electric. 6-gallon gas, electric, direct spark ignition water heater, by the way. Whether you're boondocking or you're hooked up to shore power, 15 minutes later you have hot water. And light switches in the middle there, pretty easy to figure out. And down at the bottom, the 3 switches are, one is your power awning, and the other 2 are your buttons for your slide outs. Easy to figure out. Close that. Okay, let's go outside. On the entry doors, whenever you see a yellow sticker like this one, usually it will tell you what the unloaded vehicle weight is, or the UVW, right there. 8,280 pounds when it came off the assembly line. And also those yellow stickers will also give you the VIN number. Let's back up here, kind of show off what it looks like on the outside. That color scheme, that's a pearl white finish. A little dirty. I had to put a rush on this because the RV and boat show starts tomorrow, and I wanted to get the pictures and the video up before the show. But anyway, the owners have not had a chance to detail it. Anyway, all right. On the outside front is going to be a beautiful molded fiberglass cap with the LED light accent. Beautiful cap, by the way. Nice Jayco badge on the front. All the decals are in showroom condition. You have like a diamond plating on the front here, protect from rock debris. And you do have a power hitch jack right here, and probably 2 30-pound LP tanks with cover and battery right there. You do have a solar hookup right there. So if you got a solar panel you want to hook up, you can hook it up right there. Power stabilizer jacks right there on the front and on the rears. While I'm down here, I'm going to show off that enclosed underbelly. It does have the Glacier package. Your holding tanks and your gate valves are all protected and heated. The ductwork, I believe the ductwork in the furnace is going to radiate the heat to heat up the underbelly. So you can go into extended seasons. Open up this slam latch baggage door. This is insulated, by the way. And you've got huge storage, pass-through storage on the outside here. Nice 110 outlet right there. That's your 50 amp cord on the back there when I show you the back side. 50 amp marine style cord. This is 50 amp service, not 30. Slam latch baggage doors. Gotta love them. Show off the color scheme on the decals back up here. You do have frameless tinted windows. I believe the tint's going to be like an 80% tint. They're cleaner look and easier to clean. Your power awning is going to be a good 20 foot long. It might even be 22 foot, but I'm going to say easily a 20 foot awning, power awning, and it's a little dirty, but anyway, LED lights. All the LEDs are working. Nice White Hawk badge right there. There's your Glacier package badge right there, and that's where you'll, if you want to hook up a TV there for cable and satellite, you can do that right there. Wide stance axles for a smoother ride when you're going down the road. It runs more true. You do have the outside kitchen here. It's going to be a dorm style fridge, probably going to be like a 3 cubic foot electric refrigerator, and this little sink and 2 burner cooktop just pull out. And let's show this off here. 2 burner gas cooktop, and that just stows away. Yeah, I forgot to open this. This is where I was pointing out that swivel TV on some models, but this one does not. You can put a TV out here. If you wanted that option, probably a 32 inch will fit fine right there, and then you got cable hookup and satellite hookup right there. Anyway, I like the ones that do not swivel because your air and your heat doesn't escape. You do have outside speakers. Aluminum frame sidewalls. You do have the high gloss fiberglass finish on the camper for easy cleanup. On that rear frameless tinted window, real clean look. And yeah, I believe the tint on it's going to be like an 80% tint. Usually it is. Spare tire right there with cover, and you do have a ladder to get up on your full walk-on Magnum Truss roof system by Jayco. It's 50% stronger than any of the competitors, which is pretty cool. Back up here. It's that slide out, super slide, accommodates the boot dinette and the entertainment seating, theater entertainment seating area. There's your enclosed heated underbelly, low point drain valve right there. There's your power stabilizer jacks on the rear. Do want to point out also it does have aluminum alloy wheels. Easy lube Dexter axles. Looks like a bird got it right there. Again, all the decals are in excellent condition. Nice service light on the back side here. 50 amp cord hookup right there. They've got a dog bone hooked up to it. Here's where you hook up your cable and satellite. There's your dumping area right here. All your gate valves are all protected up into the underbelly. Outside shower, hot and cold running water. It's your black tank sewer flush where the yellow caution sticker is. Cleans out your toilet. You don't have to drag a hose inside. Let's show off that. This is the main 50 amp cord right there. Reinstall cord. Rose up obviously, and you just stow it away. Nice clean look. You do also have, it's a picnic table there. That pulls right out, which is pretty cool. Slam latch baggage doors. Oh, sun's coming out finally. It would right at the end of the video. Anyway, it's a beautiful camper. Excellent condition. I think any dealer would agree with me. But anyway, if you want to come and see the camper, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube.